debate money versus time, and the participants will tell the importance of money and time. So let's start. Time is most valuable than money. How? Time is more precious than money because we can earn money that we spend, but we can't earn time that one. Then without money we can't survive. But time is more important because it helps to maintain relationships and bond. But time doesn't have any power. Money has power, and when we have power, we can do anything. First of all, if you utilize the time in the right way, then it's make your future. And you not utilize the time in the right way, then the time destroy your future. So time is very important for our life. But without money, how can you survive in your life? How can you decide this journey from childhood to old age? If you have no time, then how will you earn money? And if you have time, then you can do anything and anywhere. Means you want to say that you are spending your time in earning money. Means money is more valuable than time? So first time came, after that money came. Now, if there's no time, then how will you earn money? But it doesn't happen because time is a God-gift nature. And if the person is not spending his or her time in the right way, then what's the money is used for that time? Then this is the fault of that person. We have to utilize our time in the right way and earn money. And why we are earning money? For surviving in a right way. You say that money is more valuable than time. Yes. So why we can say time is money? Why we can't say money is time? Because money is a form of time, and without money, time is nothing. So we are saying time is money, not money is time. Money enables us to access our human resources. But spending time is necessity for maintaining good health, maintaining relationship bonds. But money makes people greedy, selfish. But without money, how can you eat better? If you have time, you can do anything and anywhere. If you don't have money, how can you utilize their time? By spending time with our families. If you have no money, how can you run your family? But money can solve the materialistic problem of the world. Money has power. How we can utilize our money? All have time.
In childhood we have no time, but we have more money. In adulthood we have more money, but we have no time to utilize it. In oldhood we have money. How can we utilize this money?
How could you say in childhood we have done time?
Yes, in childhood we have time, but how can we utilize?
Like think that if our parents does not spend their money on us, then how can we survive? How can we eat? How can we study? The government school is present, so by the government school we can study. But suppose government school is so far, so we walk and go to school. But you all know in rural areas how is government school is run. are saying this that money is more important, then I have a example that suppose that race is going to organize in our school. If in that race, one who won is okay, but one who got second position will realize the importance of time, that only for 1 or 2 minutes I reached there later, so that now I'm got second position.
But he can't. But he can't pay. Then how can he go to participate in the competition?
There's no fee. Just ask the principal, sir. There's no fee.
Think that your kidney will be means not working, then how can, if you have money, then you can operation the kidney transparent, okay?
And if that kidney will reach in the hospital after 1 or 2 seconds just, and if the person will die, then what we can do? That money will waste.
Then there is a hemodialysis process.
And just when the person dies, then doctor didn't do anything. Exam center, so we can't get permission to sit in exam, so their time is more valuable.
But suppose he doesn't pay his fee. Then
Let me one example. If your friend and both of you are going any water park, then your friend will be so accident. Your friend will be accident. Then before 1 second late, you will go hospital. Then but 1 second just after you will go hospital, your friend will die. Then time is more valuable in that time.
but suppose if we have money, then we can call the ambulance fast.
And time both play an important role in our life. Okay, both are important, right? So let's finish the debate now. Okay, now you may join your line.